Okay, so Claire is saying not to look at her because she's not got her makeup on, but I think she looks beautiful. Anyway, I'm off to Airdrie today for today's live match action on BBC Alba, Airdrie Peterhead. Okay,
Here at the M&E offices in Glasgow. Together we go to the games. 2 cars usually go, we take some kit and we have a meeting, then we do rehearsals, then we get going. Now got a bit of downtime, chance to go over links and stuff, make sure I'm happy with stuff. So far so good, good day.
presenter, producer, we're going to have a wee chat now about what I'm going to be asking, what I'm going to be saying today.
Okay, so I've had my chat with Mikey, a few changes to the questions and stuff. So we're heading around now to the tunnel to speak with managers pre-match, gauge their thoughts about the game, then I take my position and I'm just on a gentle standby. Okay, we've had a wee rehearsal at the top of the show. We're going to record it and that'll be played out live when we go on air at 5:05. Okay, so that's it from Airdrie for today. Peterhead 1-3-1. Did my half-time stuff, did my full-time interviews. That's us ready to go. The next time I do this, I'll be a bit more comprehensive, show you a bit more detail of what we do. Since this was my first one, I thought I'd maybe take it a bit easy. But that's it. I'll cut this when I get home. Yeah, boom. Okay, Gaelic for today is Marshen leibh. Marshen leibh. That means goodbye. See you later. Adios. That's how I closed the programme today. So did my summarising, should I go ahead and have on H3 in Eskershaw, Phonetically and phonetically in Marshen leibh. Marshen leibh. That's what I do.